Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our last video we talked about the Colorado state sales tax return, and today we are going to talk about the Florida state sales tax return. But before we go to the topic, I would again request you all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest tax information, in particular the US sales tax information. So back to the topic, this is my report. I have followed the same pattern again. This is the dummy data. uh, I have the customer number, I have the customer name, I have the city, I have the document type and number and whatsoever, and this is my tax amount. So if you notice, the tax rate is there, and again the I don't have the counties here, I have only the cities here, and I have my tax rate here. So if you see here, I have the city and then I have the tax rate. So majority in my this report is non-taxable sales. I have only one taxable amount, which is this one. So if you filter this out, and the tax rate is 7%. So as you know, many of you might know that Florida has a 6% as a state sales tax returns, a sales tax rate, and then we have another 1% for this particular city, which is this one, and the total making a total of 7%. And then again I have calculated the taxable sales and non-taxable sales in the same method like I did in my previous reports. So let's move to the portal and see how we can file this tax return. So I'm on the portal now. I have logged into the Florida state. I will click next here. This is for the information purpose. You can see and you can read and see the information. So I'm going to click next. Then I'm going to click sales and use tax. By the way, if these are European, you can see these, but since I have only registered for this particular uh, portion of the portal, so I'm going to file sales and use tax. Then I have DER 15 easy. This is the number of the sales and use return. If you want to file amended return, like if you have filed the previous month return and you want to amend it, you can click this. If you want to file the new return for this particular month, so I mean by last month, you can click this one. And if you want to make the other, so if you see here, we have another options here, like we have the resale certificate, we have the confirmation page, we other sales and use tax payments. If you want to just make a payment, you can, like if you receive any notice which tells you to make the payment, you can click, you can make the payment through this. So I'm going to click here now. I want to file my return. So now this is the portion here, and now I'm going to file gross sales here. My total gross sales are this. Total gross sales are this, and my exempt sales are this. So I will put my total tax due here, taxable sales. So if you see, I'm inputting all my information manually, and you don't need to, put each information. You don't need to fill the counties and cities information. It's only the state level return. So you just need to put information in one column, like we don't need to do like we did for the Colorado state. So I'm gonna file 35 here, and then I will put my total text to here. When I click next, it will ask me again the payment information, and once you input your payment information, you are okay, you are done with your return. So that's very easy return. It's like the same return that we did for Indiana and Connecticut state. So I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you very much.